Hi, welcome all to Fingertips channel. Bajaj Pulsar. Bajaj Pulsar is a popular line of motorcycles manufactured by Bajaj Auto, an Indian two-wheeler and three-wheeler manufacturing company. The Pulsar series was first introduced in India in 2001, and since then, it has become one of the most successful and iconic motorcycle brands in the country. The Pulsar range is known for its sporty design, performance-oriented features, and a variety of models catering to different rider preferences. Introduction and evolution. The Bajaj Pulsar was introduced as a performance-oriented motorcycle aimed at the youth segment. Over the years, the Pulsar lineup has seen several new models and technological advancements. Model range. The Pulsar series includes a diverse range of models, each designed for specific riding purposes. Some of the popular Pulsar models include the Pulsar 150, Pulsar NS, Naked Sport, Pulsar RS, Race Sport, and others. Engine options. Bajaj Pulsar motorcycles come with a range of engine capacities, catering to different preferences and riding styles. The engine options typically include 125 cubic centimeters, 150 cubic centimeters, 180 cubic centimeters, 200 cubic centimeters, and 220 cubic centimeters variants, providing a wide range of choices for consumers. Design and styling. Pulsar motorcycles are known for their sporty and aggressive design. They often feature sharp lines, muscular fuel tanks, and aerodynamic fairings, giving them a distinctive and modern appearance. Technology and features. Bajaj has equipped the Pulsar series with various technological features to enhance performance and rider experience. Depending on the model, features may include digital instrument clusters, LED lighting, disc brakes, tubeless tires, and more. Innovation. The Pulsar series has been known for introducing innovative features in the Indian motorcycle market. For example, the Pulsar NS 200 was one of the first bikes in India to feature perimeter frame technology. Global presence. While initially targeted primarily at the Indian market, Bajaj has expanded the presence of the Pulsar brand globally. Pulsar motorcycles are now available in various international markets. Brand success. The Bajaj Pulsar series has played a significant role in establishing Bajaj Auto as a major player in the Indian motorcycle industry. The brand's success can be attributed to its focus on performance, innovation, and a wide range of offerings to suit diverse customer needs.